So today I'm about to show you how to add a LinkedIn content creator in N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a advanced AI agent node to serve as your copywriter. Connect an OpenAI or Atrophic model to the chat model slot and link a window buffer memory node. Next, feed your source data into the creator engine. Connect an RSS feed, Google Docs, or Firecall web scraper node to your trigger pipeline to pull in raw industry articles or research notes. In your AI agent node, write a clear system prompt. Act as an elite LinkedIn content creator. Transform the incoming text into a high engagement LinkedIn post using scroll stopping hook, spaced out single sentence paragraphs, and 3 relevant hashtags. Finally, connect the agent to the native LinkedIn node. Set the action to create post, map the agent's output straight into the text field, and hit execute to publish your content instantly. And that's it. That's how to add a LinkedIn content creator in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.